Bye. I'll be doing a frontal and a messy bun installation. This is me vibing to some of us too busy to be. But I can't post it here on YouTube with the sound because it will be copyrighted. So we have to just go like that. So first of all, for this installation, you need to stretch your hair. You need to straighten your hair so that your hair will be as flat as possible to achieve the best result. After this, I plucked my frontal. This is to make the hairline of the frontal look more natural. And then laying it down with a hot comb so that it can be sleek. Next is hair prep. I used Eco Styling Gel, got to be spray and a brush to lay down my hair. Then this hairband is to help it lie down perfectly. This needle and thread thing, I used it to hold the wig cap to my hair because this is just a frontal piece. The back will be open, so you don't expect that the wig cap will be showing behind. So I had to just do it so that it can hold the front of the wig cap to the hair. This is the messy bun. I use hair straightener and got to be glue with pin to hold the coils in place. Then later on, I put it on top of my hair. I pinned it to my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video. See you on my next video.